Coming up on the buck stops here this evening, it was the Kodak moment that the Congress had been working hard to script when Pranab Mukherjee and P. Chidambaram came out and smiled, well, almost for the cameras. On the program this evening, we'll be debating whether this is a temporary truce or whether the crisis is over. Also, is this a party with a death wish? And if so, has it survived its suicide mission? Like every night, you can take part in our debate online. Our webpage, ndtv.com/buckstops is now open for your comments, so keep them coming. You can also tweet me. We'll run the best tweets through the length of this debate. My Twitter handles @BDutt. Let's start with bringing you that image, the photo op of the week. Pranab Mukherjee, P. Chidambaram standing side by side, saying and insisting all is well.
A number of stories on 2G spectrum had appeared in the media in January 2011. A view was taken that a harmonized note based on fact should be produced for use by various representatives of the government. A view was taken that a harmonized note based on fact should be produced for use by various representatives of the government. A group of officers prepared an inter-ministerial background paper which was sent to PMO on 25th March 2011. A group of officers prepared an inter-ministerial background paper which was sent to PMO on 25th March 2011. Apart from the factual background, the paper contains certain inferences and interpretations which do not reflect my views. Apart from the factual background, the paper contains certain inferences and interpretations which do not reflect my views. The policy of the government in 2007-2008 was continuation of the policy adopted in October 2003 and as reiterated by PRAI. The policy of the government in 2007-2008 was continuation of the policy adopted in October 2003 and as reiterated by PRAI.
I am happy with the statement read by my senior and distinguished colleague, the Finance Minister, Shri Pranab Mukherjee. I accept the statement. As far as all of us in government are concerned, the matter is closed.
All right, so there we saw what the Congress would probably call the Kodak moment of the week. P. Chidambaram and Pranab Mukherjee standing side by side, saying that all is well. Interestingly, Pranab Mukherjee, while insisting that those comments about Mr. Chidambaram in the note were not his, not elaborating quite on whose they were then and how they made their way into that 2G note. Let's start our debate this evening. Can the Congress survive its death wish? Has it really moved past the crisis? Let's introduce our panel this evening. We're joined by Renuka Chaudhary, spokesperson and leader of the Congress Party. We're also joined from Mumbai tonight by Tavleen Singh, outspoken columnist and well-known author. We're also joined by Harish Salve, who's the former Solicitor General and also represents the Tatas in the telecom case. We'll also be joined by Shekhar Gupta, editor-in-chief of the Indian Express shortly. Renuka, if I can start with you now. In a way, when Salman Khurshid said in the afternoon, all is well, it was the first indication that the Congress was working to a script and it was working towards resolving this particular crisis. But many people would believe that there's still a missing link in this narrative, and that missing link is quite simply this. If Pranab Mukherjee says that the statements about Mr. Chidambaram in the note were not his, the questions still remain, whose were they? Pranab Mukherjee has insisted that this note was prepared after inputs from different ministries, including officials of the Prime Minister's office. So is the country not entitled to ask who were these different officials across ministries who believed that Mr. Chidambaram had not done enough to stem the 2G scam?
Barkha, I think the broader issue there is that these sort of issues are going to be addressed by the JPC and the court. So why are we getting, working up a ladder in all this? I think we should accept what Pranab Mukherjee said. And actually this matter is over. I don't know why we are dragging it on and on. I think everyone's quite fed up of the whole issue.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.